everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and you're practicing all the alphabets that we're doing in the class. Are you? Very good. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids by the Cap. In today's class, we will learn how to make capital and small cursive S. So let's start our today's class. Okay, so this is small cursive S and this is capital cursive S. It's both are same. So grab your pencils and start with me. Start from here, make a loop, come down and go out. Okay, this is small one and this is capital one. Go up, make a loop, come down and make another loop and go out. And S as in star, which twinkle at night. Okay. Now let's make this small cursive S with joining these dotted lines. Now make without joining these dotted lines. Very good. Keep practicing. Now this is capital cursive S. Like this. Now we will make without joining the dotted lines. Very nice. Now S as in ship, S as in snail and S as in shake. Okay. Okay, what is this activity? Circle the odd one. Now see, all these are same pictures. But no, one picture is odd and we have to find that picture and circle on it. Okay, see, this is same. This snail hasn't no eyes. We will circle on this picture like this. Okay, now see here, all these leaves are same, but this strawberry has two leaves. Circle here. See, this is a starfish, but this starfish is of different color. Okay. Now see, this snowman has no hat. This snowman is an odd one out. Okay. Alright, that's it for today's class. We have learned how to make small and capital cursive S. So keep practicing it. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.